I just had to let you know you're.
Good day everyone. So I will explain the main scene of our Flappy Bird game. The root node is called game, which serves as the central controller of the entire game. So inside the game scene, we have background, which displays the sky and ground. Player controls the bird character, and spawn delay manages the timing of pipe generation. The death, so it handles game over events. Menu contains the start screen and instructions. And the HUD that displays the score and pause button. So the game scene connects all other scene and manage the overall gameplay.
I will explain the background scene. The background scene is responsible for creating the environment of the game. Its components include first, show the background image. Second, parallax layer create a scrolling effect that makes the game feel like a bird is moving forward. A third, ground represent the land of the at the bottom of the screen. Top the top and bottom defines the visible game boundaries. And last, hitbox and collision shape 2D detect collision with the boundaries. These scenes improve the visual appearance and helps define the playable area.
I will explain the player scene. The player scene represents the bird controlled by the player. Its components are, first, the character body 2D allows movement and physics. Next, the sprite 2D displays the bird image. Then, the collision shape 2D detects collision with the pipes and boundaries. After that, the animation players control the bird's animations, such as flapping. Additionally, the hit sounds play when the birds crash, while the flap sounds plays when the player taps or press a key. Finally, the point sounds plays whenever the player earns the scores.
Hi everyone, I'm going to explain the pipe scene. The pipe scene creates the obstacles that the bird must avoid. Its components include number 1, top pipe and bottom pipe sprites. Number 2, top collisions and bottom collision. These are the detector when the bird hits a pipe. Point area. Awards point when the bird successfully passes through the gap. Visible on screen, not 5. 2D. Removes 5 when they leave the screen to improve performance. The 5 moves continuously from right to left, creating the main challenge of the game. The player earns points by passing between without colliding.
I just had to let you know you're.